mine from 9th Avenue AU. I will put some links below where I find it to be a good investment. I did email the makers of this oil and asked a few questions, so I'm going to show you guys the responses to those questions that are probably frequently asked as well. This oil mix is enough to use as is. You don't have to add anything at all, but I'm gonna add fenugreek and chebe. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of chebe and a teaspoon of fenugreek. I'm also going to add some coconut oil. There's no particular measurements to the oils because I'm just trying to fill this jar up. If some people don't like coconut oil, you can use whatever oils you have. I was just also trying to finish that coconut oil because I had it for a while. I used castor oil actually as most of the oil. I would say 50% of the oil was castor oil. And then I also went ahead to use extra virgin olive oil. Some of the benefits of this oil are that it will actually aid in hair growth. It will help fight dandruff, prevent hair fall, graying, and promote thicker, longer, lustrous hair. I'm going to be using this oil all year round, really, just putting it in my deep conditioners, in my hair treatments, etc., just to see how it works on my hair. The mix has about 18 different herbs, so I fill up the jar. In many different ways. I'm just going to show you how I apply it to my scalp. Obviously, you want to apply a good amount to your scalp and just massaging the oil quite well on your scalp to increase the blood flow and then placing a plastic cup for about an hour to, allow the oils to work on your scalp. You can use the oil as a pre-poo. You can use it on the shaft of your hair or on your scalp. And I am also going to be adding it, like I said before, to my treatments, so my deep conditioners, my masks, etc. So it's going to be an exciting journey for me using this oil. If you guys are able to, please get it, and we can grow our hair together and start the year with a bang. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, comment. Let me know if you're gonna try it, if you've tried it before, how you use it, and how it's benefited your hair. Until next time, it's Pamela Naturals. See ya.